Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have for you here a 3-bedroom, 3 bathrooms townhouse at Chatham Palms in Montego Bay. Montego Bay continues to lead with amazing offerings of rare and attractive real estate options. This unit comes fresh to the market with an open concept living, kitchen and dining, in-unit laundry, ensuite bedroom on the main level and 2 ensuite rooms on the upper level. The land area is 3,100 square feet and garden space is available. There is also a pool, gym, kids play area and 24-hour security that completes this gated complex. Perfectly positioned and numbered, this development is literally walking distance, 2 to 3 minutes to the airport. Beautiful white sand beach, restaurant, lifestyle, shopping, resorts, just 5 minutes to the town center and other major commercial activities. Other features of this house includes porcelain tiling, wheelchair access, ceiling fans, fully walled, cable, clubhouse, recreation center, secured entry, central location, family oriented, private setting, quiet area, landscaped, seniors oriented, and paved road. The current price of this townhouse is US 450,000 or Jamaican $71 million. Now, let's take a quick look at this home and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.